Welcome to IC Markets. In this video, we will walk you through on how to log into your live account on cTrader iOS. If you already downloaded the cTrader iOS app, then you can log in to trade live. Here's how to log into your live account. Simply open the IC Markets cTrader app on your iPhone. You'll be taken to the login screen. Log in with the email address you used to register with IC Markets and the password you set during registration. To save your password on your iPhone, simply swipe right to keep me logged in. This means you will remain logged into this device until you manually log out, so ensure that you're using a private device. If not, swipe left. Tap on the green login button. You will be taken to the Quotes tab where you can view live quotations. Once you've logged into your live account, you can deposit money. It's convenient with so many funding options, including credit or debit card, wire transfer, and many more. For further information, please visit our website or contact our support team.